We're talking to Dale Jr. By the way, you can download his podcast on Dirty Mo Media. I got an idea for you for the NFL draft. How about you announce the Redskins pick?
Oh, man.
What do you think?
Depends on what the pick is. I think, I don't want to get booed.
Well, it's going to be in Dallas.
Talking about, so it's like it's going to get booed either way.
Yes. What if Washington?
Man.
What's Washington's pick, Paulie? Do we know where the Redskins pick, or McLovin? Do you have that? Because Junior's a first round guy. He's not going to be a second. Well, I don't know. Would you rather go second round than first round?
I don't care. I mean, I'd be. I think second would be easier because I'd be so damn nervous to go up there and do the first round. But any fan that gets asked to do that, they're going to get up there and do it, and I'd definitely take the opportunity if I ever got that chance.
Oh, you know what? It's the 13th overall pick, Junior.
Yeah.
You okay with
that? I mean,
that?
that's, yeah, it is what it is. I think they'll get a great player.
Would you do it if they ask you to? And here with the
Absolutely.
13th pick for the Washington Redskins, say hello to Dale Earnhardt Jr. Yeah.
Of course. Who would not do that?
But how about
who wouldn't?
What if you didn't like the
Should
pick?
I not do it?
Would you
it seems
change?
obvious to me that I should do it.
Would you change the pick if you didn't like it? Like just got up there and decided, you know what? I don't like this guy. We need a wide receiver. We're going to take Calvin Ridley of Alabama to the Washington. I would love it if you got it. Of course, you got to do that.
Yeah.
I'm going to get my people on this. Paulie, get on that right now.
We're on it.
Okay. Yeah, we got to get Junior because Junior hasn't had enough fun and success in his life. He needs something to pick him up,
For more Dan Patrick Show, tune to Audience Channel 239 on DirecTV or download the Dan Patrick Show app.